Hi everyone, myself Manoj from Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering. Today we're gonna discuss about transaction processing, introduction to transaction processing, transaction and system concepts. Introduction to transaction processing. Transaction processing is the method used to manage and execute business transactions within a computer. It involves capturing, processing, and storing data related to a specific transaction such as sales, purchases, or reservations. Transaction processing systems ensure data integrity, consistency, and reliability in the high volume environment. Transaction concepts. A transaction is a logical unit of work that represents a single operation or a group of related operations. Transactions have four properties known as ACID properties, that is, atomicity, consistency, isolation, and durability. Atomicity ensures that a transaction is treated as a single, indivisible unit of work, either fully completed or fully rolled back. Transaction concepts. A transaction is an automatic unit of a work that is either completed in its entirety or not done at all. For recovery purposes, the system needs to keep track of when the transaction starts, and terminates, and commits or aborts. Transaction concepts. Consistency ensures that a transaction brings the system from one valid state to another without violating any integrity constraints. Isolation ensures that concurrent transactions do not interfere with each other, providing a level of data isolation and preventing conflicts. Durability guarantees that once a transaction is committed, its changes are permanent and survive any subsequent systems failures. System concepts. Transaction processing systems are designed to handle the high volumes of transactions efficiently and reliably. These systems consist of software, hardware, and network concepts that work together to support transactions processing. Key components of transaction processing systems include the database management system, application programs, and user interface. System concepts. The database management system is responsible for storing and managing transaction data in a structured manner. Application programs interface with the DBMS to the process transaction, performs business logic, and update the database. User interface provide a means for user to input transaction data, view results, and interface with the system. Transaction processing systems can be categorized into online transaction processing (OLTP) and batch processing systems. OLTP systems processing transaction in real time, providing immediate responses to the user requests. Batch processing systems accumulate transactions over a period and process them in a batches during non-peak hours. Transaction processing benefits. Transaction processing systems ensure the data integrity and accuracy by enforcing the business rules and constraints. They improve operational efficiency by automating routine tasks and reducing manual paperwork. Transaction processing systems provide real-time visibility into the business operations, enabling better decision making and analysis. Transaction processing challenges. Ensuring high availability and fault tolerance is crucial for transaction processing systems to minimize downtime and data loss. Scalability is a challenge as transaction volume increases, requiring efficient resources allocation and system design. Maintaining data consistency and integrity in a disturbed environment with multiple concurrent transactions and can be complex. Transaction processing best practices. Implementing proper transaction designs and management techniques such as using appropriate isolation levels and transaction boundaries, employing backup and recovery mechanism to ensure the data durability and availability, regular performance monitoring, turning and optimizing to maintain systems efficiency and responsiveness. Conclusion. Transaction processing plays a vital role in managing business operation, ensuring the data integrity and supporting decision making. Understanding transaction and system concepts is crucial for design efficient and reliable transaction processing systems. By following the best practices and addressing challenges, organizations can leverage transaction processing to drive operational excellence and customer satisfaction. Thank you.